Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the fire breath filter on TikTok. Really simple and easy to get, just takes a minute to do. So if you're unaware what the filter looks like, it just looks like this. So it basically just gives the person orange eyes and breathes fire out of the mouth. It's actually pretty unique and cool. So if you want to know how to get this filter, just stay tuned. All you got to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're done that, you want to click on the Discover tab at the bottom and just go up to your search bar and just search for fire breath filter. Once you do that, all you have to do is click on videos and just find someone that's using the filter in this allotment of videos, just like this right here. Once you find the account using the filter, you just go above their username where you see that little yellow link saying fire breath. Click on that and just click on add to favorites. Now whenever you go make a new video, this will be in your favorites for you. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.